Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Nissan Pathfinder can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by removing an existing tie-down bracket here on the driver's side, using a 19mm socket and an extension. There are 4 fasteners, 2 here up into the frame. The other 2 can be found along the side. These bolts will not be reinstalled. Next up, we will make a small trim to the carbon canister shield to allow passage for the hitch. You will now want to clean the 6 weld nuts with a wire brush. There is 3 on each side of the vehicle. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you get a second set of hands. You can install the new M12 hardware, place on first a locking washer, and then the flat washer. Now, tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications, which I will link in the description below. We're going to continue using the 19mm socket and the extension with our torque wrench. To torque the forwardmost bolts on the passenger side, just push the exhaust out of the way. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.